See, Godi, I'm not scared of your father. I won't leave you until you explain to me what this drama is all about. See, Godi, do you know I couldn't sleep last night? I was thinking about you. To a point I nearly lost it because of you. Please.
You don't know anything about me. You can't marry someone you don't know anything about.
You see the problem with you? You don't know how deeply I love you. Because if you do, you would know that I know everything about you. See, of course I know you were married to Goethe. I know you have a child. But I don't care. Like I told you before, love doesn't ask why. It speaks from the heart and never explains. Please, God, I want you to be mine. I will be complete if you become mine. Yes.
You want to marry me, right?
If you say yes, I'll marry you right now. As we
then
are
go
right.
for a test.
Come on, test! Because they have told me I've gone for test. And my blood group is A positive, my genotype is AA. I told you that before. Why mentioning it again?
Go for a potency test. Go.
Which one is potency test, what? Are you suspecting me that I'm not potent? I love you, I'm not scared of your father. If he lies, let him come and shoot me. I'm very potent. If you doubt me, you can go and ask my father. He runs in the blood. I love you.
The only offense is I love you.
Listen to me, Mama. You don't have to kill yourself because my papa married another woman. Do you hear me? You have to be stronger now. Because Papa doesn't even care if you cry yourself to death. They will continue to live happy. You have many more years to live. So please, Mama, don't let jealousy shorten your life. You deserve to be happy, you know? I have good news for you.
You do?
Yes.
What is it?
You remember that man I told you I met at the church?
Obinna.
Yes, Mama. I saw him the other day.
Oh, really?
He's so fond of me. He said he wants to marry me.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
But you don't know him too well.
Mama, I am worried. I'm still scared of men.
It's okay, my dear. Just give it time and you get to know him. Alright? We take it from there.
Exactly what I told him. I told him I needed time to know him.
That's good. I'm so proud of you. Hmm?
And I'm happy you're smiling now.
You're very strong, girl.
Thank you, Mama.
I wish I had half of your strength.
I don't know why I still love you.
I'm going back to your father's house.
Hey, where are you going with this box?
My father's house.
I'm not going anywhere. Listen, let me tell you. Take that box inside. I paid for your head. I paid for your body. I paid for your hand. Paid for from here to here. Everything I paid for. Carry that box inside, my friend. Take that box inside.
Because you paid for my bride price, because you paid for alarm, that's why you cannot perform on the bed. Baba Kuba, Ede, don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to shut up. Away from a minute, 1 minute into me. Every time you keep on sweating like if. Look at you. Look at you.
You called me Baba Kuba?
Yes, that's what you are. Baba Kuba, Alaku.
Do you know that you are responsible for all this? You are responsible for it. What are you telling me?
Hell.
When I went in, it wasn't hot. I wanted to go the way I should go. You say I should try the other style. That style is not good. So that's the style that broke this waist. I am an experienced person. Experienced in everything. I do everything with experience.
Jerusalem. Go and look for your type. Your waist will break.
Bubaiba.
I will break it, oh. I will break it, oh.
Take this.
Go and call your wife.
Take this box inside now. Don't you see? Can't you see that there are no waste again?
I leave this bag.
Can't you see it?
Can you leave this bag?
Hey!
Nonsense. Now, Lele, kill you now.
No, I won't. I even know Guaproco believe it. Opiage by Mama Divine.
Pondo.
Hey, thank you, one more. Thank you, one more. Thank you, one more. Hey, Papa, don't tell me.
I'll give you back.
Have
not even started your shouting. Well, let's take you to the hospital
now. Take it easy now. Don't take me to the hospital. You want me ever? You have to be.
It's okay. I wasn't on the
Wait, is that why you're using my back as samba?
It was caused by Ngozi. Ego Yibogi. And now where is she? My
back is not drum now. Wait, let's agree on that.
Okay.
It's not bongo.
Let me use this as sneaker.
What is sneaker?
What is bongo?
Bongo is a bar. And you're using my back as bongo. Boom, boom, boom.
Nika, quarter to trouser, quarter past sneaker.
Papa, you turn now so that they can finish this thing.
It's just to take it easy.
Mama, you take it easy.
I've heard you.
Please take it easy.
Okay.
You will take it easy.
Oh.
Papa, she said she will take it easy
now. Finish up the massage. Let me go and rest.
Hey! I must come on massage here. Come Samba kana kwe. Hey! Apa Samba? Oh! Ay! Why on here? Hey! Everyone have it. What language? Go. Wait. Tell it. No. You wanna have it?
Okay.
Why is your mouth like that?
How?
Your mouth.
How?
Your mouth it's like the mouth of somebody that is Nakubongo.
Come on now, let me finish up.
No. A man is soaked in the river of his own shame. But he stands a greater man when he rises above his errings. forgive me for the way I've been treating you ever since. Forgive me. Please.
I have forgiven you. Now where are you going? I've forgiven you.
Hey.
You know, that catechist was asking you too many questions.
I almost fired back at him. But I was just so scared of his big nose and large eyes. I could not say a word.
I thought I was the only one that noticed it too. That guy is ugly.
And they say no man is ugly. It is a lie. That man is ugly. Did you notice I did not allow him touch my child?
Hey, why now? His ugliness contagious.
Because his own is contagious. And the most funny part was when he said, I should name my cute son Polikapa. As in, I don't understand. And when I said no, he suggested Isaiah.
And I saw the look on your face when he said that. You were not finding it.
That moment, I want him not to mention that again. This is the 21st century, for goodness sake.
One day, Onoga, to put you in trouble. You're about to put you in trouble.
And I hope you will be around that day. I want to thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, I didn't believe you would agree to stand as his father.
You don't need to thank me. I'm really happy to do this. I stand for whatever will make you and Obiefuna happy.
Thank you very much. That doesn't mean we'll name him Polycarp.
I agree with you on that one. Machi! I've been calling you since. What is this?
Well, I said you should leave me alone. Leave me alone!
Leave you alone. Did I do anything wrong? Please, tell me if I did anything wrong.
You did not do anything wrong. I just cannot continue with this. Leave me alone!
Machi, what is this now? Machi, it's me, Grace, and I'm talking to you. Machi. Okay, please. Machi, it's me, Ugoeze. If I did something wrong, just tell me, please. What did I do wrong?
You want to know what you have done wrong?
Yes.
Can you not see the handwriting on the wall? Ugoeze, we are from different parts of the world.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Do you want to understand what I'm trying to say? I will make it clear to you. You are a village farmer. I am a civil servant. Does that even sound right to you? It doesn't! Ugoeze, leave me alone, please!
You didn't just say that to me. Machi.
You are not deaf, are you?
Machi, don't do this. Biko, emekwana ifa.
Ugoeze, please. Just go. Go. Please.
So it's true. You used me. Machi, you used me, Ugoeze. You let me into your bedroom all because you wanted me to stand as your husband during Obiefuna's christening. That is it.
I let you into my bedroom because you used charms on me. That is it.
Machi, what are you talking about? Please. What has come over you?
Freedom. Freedom. Free from your charms. That is it.
What are you talking about? Machi! I can't believe you're doing this. You're remendum. Here they go. Etalmusi.
You don't have to sit there like a homeless man.
Last night was terrible.
Okwese, I'll be late for work.
Why have you chosen to hurt me like this? Why?
What do you want?
I want to breathe again. Freely.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
How is Obiefuna?
He's fine. My cousin visited and took him away. Let's go.
You'll be late.
I know what I want. Let's go. Missed you so much.
And I missed you too. You know, you've never really told me about yourself.
Well, you never asked.
Okay. Wanu, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm that woman that grew up knowing heartbreak.
Tell me about it.
I really never knew who my parents were. That's all you need to know for me.
Oh, Kevin, was similar. I lost my father when I was still at a very tender age. My mother died immediately after.
Oh. I'm sorry about it. I mean, we have almost the same story.
Let's get married.
What?
Marry me.
What's about to be?
Obiefuna is already my son. Or do you want me to officially adopt him? Because I will.
Slow it down. Take it easy. You still have to give me time to think about it.
No. I mean, we have had enough time to think about it.
What if your wife comes back?
She will not come back. I returned the bride price, okay? And I told you that she's remarrying.
I'm sorry. I forgot you did. But you still have to give me time to think about it.
Time is now.
What for?
Good. I've gone for that test, the potency test. And do you know what? I am very, very okay. Even the doctor told me that my potency is very high. That if I want to make children that will cover one village, that might be a Umobina village, that I can. So you see, I'm very potent. I told you were doubting me. It runs in the blood.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Bye.
You know what, Igbo? I'll be traveling to Germany next week for a course. But before I travel, I've talked to my people. We'll be coming to see your parents so that we formalize everything. Hope that is okay.
Obina, I have not told you I was going to marry you.
Come on, Igbo, why are you doing this to me? We've talked this over and over again. You want me to kneel down? So that people will know how serious I am.
I told you to find out about me.
And I've told you I've done enough. I've known everything I need to know about you. What else do you want me to know?
No, you haven't. There are a lot of things you need to know about me. I don't want to be mocked later in your house.
Why would I mock a girl I adore very much? A girl I love with my whole heart. Why will I do that?
Obina, I need you to respect my decision. Please.
I can see you are still in love with your ex-husband.
Can I go now?
Come on, we're not done. Ego. Why is she hurting me this way? Why is she like this?
What have you done? Eh? The young man has tried though. Don't you love him? I do. I do, Mother, I do. So why don't you want to marry him? I don't know, Mother. Maybe I'm still scared of men. Well, wherever I can support you. You know what? If the young man is serious, he will come back with his people. Alright? Stop crying, it's enough. You may beg it for Anya. What happened?
Mama, he's gone.
He's gone. Who is gone?
Mama, he's gone. Obin has left for Germany, Mama.
Who is Obin?
Don't worry. If he's destined to marry you, he will definitely come back. Oh, Ebesina.
I ask again, who is Obin?
He's in Agua. Well, Obin is a very good friend. A man.
There you go. Everything will be sorted out. If you ever win Lenu, again, Messia, a wet wenya, you not of Yana. Do you know that in my dream, I saw you dancing here in this compound?
Nah, the dream, Joseph, the dream. So,
what
kind of dance then?
Awilo. Lokomba.
Okay.
Awilo, Lokomba. Awilo, Lokomba.
Why you're making a weed? Hey, I guess who I saw at the market today.
Oh, Mama. Ooh, Obina.
Where is it?
Where?
At the market. The son with his wife and son. You still love him?
He's married with a son. All I seek is water to wash away the vices of vinegar Ugweze ruthlessly scooped into my mouth. Mama, it would have made more sense if I wasn't married before his return.
You will get married someday. You're still young and beautiful. Wait, don't tell me you have doubts, right? You think Obinna and his people will not come to ask me about marriage? Is that it?
I don't know.
The smoke is killing me.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, please, we're looking for the way to the church. Madam?
Sorry, what did you say?
We're looking for the way to the church.
Oh, the church.
Yes.
You see this road?
Yes.
Go by your right, you see the church.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Fine boy. What is your name?
His name is Obiefuna. He's still learning how to talk.
Obiefuna.
Yes.
Obiefuna, how are you?
Come on, say fine. Just ask me how you are. Anyway, never mind. My name is Mwachi.
Egodi. I'm Egodi.
Since you already showed us the way to the church, we'll be on our way. Thank you very much.
See you some other time.
Okay, thank you. You don't want to see my twins.
I saw Chukwucheku. Yes, Mama. Where?
I saw them. Now, he was with a lady. I gave them direction to the church. He looked at me. And, Mama, I felt these goosebumps all over my body. Mama, that boy is my son. That is Chukwucheku, Mama.
I saw them. You directed them. He looked into your eyes. He goose pimple all over your body. Then you concluded it's your son. Don't even start. Do you even sometimes listen to what you say? No,
Mama, that's my son. I know what I am saying, Mama. I know what I am saying. I am a mother, Mama. I know this one. Mama, my heart leaped. My heart leaped when I looked into his eyes. Mama, that boy is my son.
Hey.
That is Chukwucheku. He's my son.
Hey, it's enough. He's your son. Please, I beg you, don't take me back to the past. Don't take me back to things that I want to forget. If you want to kill it, your heart leaps. Oh, my heart in there leap. Mbobu no bia na one point. I be because never pass me way. Ona koyeli.
She doesn't believe me. my son. Mama, that boy is my son, Mama.
Day! Day, bye-bye, never. Day!
Who am I seeing? Who gets it? Who gets it? Hey! This is not happening.
Good to see you, Uncle.
Fine boy. Yellow sissy. What am I doing? Please, sit down.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Fine boy. So what do I offer them? Coke, more, anything?
No, nothing day.
Let me jump.
Day, don't worry.
Is that?
Jacket.
No problem.
No.
Let me at least bring a seat for myself. Hey, this is wonderful. Who gets it?
Daddy.
Who gets
it?
You see, someone told me that he saw you yesterday, but I couldn't believe it.
Well, you do.
All the same, you're welcome.
Thank you. Day, this is my wife, Machi, my wife, and this is my son, Obiefuna.
Who gets it? You mean you are married?
Yes, Uncle, I am married.
And you didn't even bother to send me words. It's unfair now. He met a real guys, he met a real cha-cha. No problem cases here, me and no. Huh?
I am very sorry. You know, I'm not normally like that. It's just that everything happened very fast.
Is that?
Yes, sir.
All the same, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yellow Sissy. It's like we have met before.
I'm not sure, Uncle.
I am sure we have met before. It's only I can't remember exactly where. I don't easily forget faces.
Well, it's a small world. It's very possible.
Not the same. You're welcome again.
Uncle.
Welcome.
Thank you, Dave.
Welcome again.
Good to see you again. Good to go back. Good to see you.
Hey, you say I shouldn't bother getting you people anything.
Don't worry. We're fine. We just came to say hello. As my neighbor told me, the first thing I get back and Uncle Lady. You want to say hello to your granduncle.
Hey!
Uncle, you're so funny.
I am so happy. So happy.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Yellow Sissy. Get it. Let me have it.
Oh, okay. So bad. Come here.
Ugweze. Your uncle almost scared life out of me. Did he say anything to you?
He said nothing.
He told you nothing. And you were looking at me as if he said something about me to you.
Nothing.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Should I get you lunch?
Not yet.
I don't understand this. Is there something you need to tell me? Honestly, I cannot believe Ugoeze could do such a thing.
He just disappeared into thin air.
Mama, what we should be thinking now is the solution. What do we do? I need to get back my child.
I will go and talk to Igwe. Yes. You should be able to do something. But first, I need to discuss it with your father.
No, Mama, you can't do that. He won't be part of it.
Don't worry. I know how to handle your father. We need to talk about it first. Can't let him jump.
Mama, please do. I need to get back my child. I must get back my child.
What is it? What is this? Machi, I have told you that I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me. Please let me be. I want to sleep.
You are not fine. And I will not let you sleep until you tell me what is going on. Ugum, you are hurting me. Talk to me. What is it?
You want to know what is wrong?
Yes, I will.
You want to know?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I am being accused of stealing someone's child.
What?
Yes.
I mean, who is accusing you of this?
Someone in this village.
Okay, I still don't understand. Why would you be bothered if you did not do it?
The same day I left this village, a child went missing. Now, Uncle Eddie has reasons to believe or suspect that that child may be Obiefuna.
Oh, please, come on, that's ridiculous.
You think it is?
Yes.
Tell me about Obiefuna.
Ugum, we talked about this before.
I cannot remember. Echifugum.
Well, I adopted him.
From where? When?
Ugum, I don't understand why you're asking all these questions. I can't even remember the name of this orphanage home.
Could it be that Obiefuna is the missing child?
No, it can't be. Obiefuna is not the missing child. They're talking rubbish. He's not.
If Obiefuna is the missing child, I'm finished. I am.
Ugum, you need to calm down. you really need to calm down. I don't need you to overwork yourself. I adopted him legally.
No, this cannot happen to me again. This cannot.
Nai, there's something I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
Egodi has found her son.
Where?
He's with Ugeze.
Ugeze? Man, it's not possible.
She met them on the road.
Yeah, Jelukwa. How did she know that he was the child? Did she give him a mark?
No, she did not give him a mark.
I see. Now, if you're not honorable for me to go into a fight of blame, Obrian, or even a setting him up. In a Nike, you want to fire me so that I will go for a fight of blame, is it not? Were you not the person that told me that the child was legally adopted?
Yes, I did. But the issue
Abort was never an abort. And I got even Nagwagi. Abort was a knife or Buna in a abort, or Bugudu no is sick in a abort, Naja abort was na. And whatever.
If a mother na-achọ n'ukenu, ka ọ fụziri n'nke anyị, wee lachapụ ọsọ.
Ọ bụrụ ọsọ ka a na-agba. Ọ bụrụ ọsọ ka a na-agba. Ọkwanụ nka. Akwa ifuru efi. Nka ka eji agbalị ọsọ. Nwayọọ ka eji alacha ofe dị ọkụ. When the time comes, we will see it.
Ugom, you've been like this all day. What is it? You're not saying anything.
There is nothing to say.
Are you still worried about the accusation?
Where is Obiefuna?
He's inside. He's eating.
Good. Get him my own food.
We need to see a doctor.
Not yet. We need to talk before you do that.
What do we need to talk about?
You need to know the truth.
What truth?
I'll tell you later.
We need to talk about it now. It's been 2 years already since I met you, and I haven't seen any sign of pregnancy.
You need to go for checkup. Ogoma, are you crying? What is it? Why are you crying?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about? What is it? Ogom, what is it? What is it? Just take it easy. Ogom, what is it? What are you sorry about? It's okay. So why didn't you tell me all this one?
The truth is that I was really scared of losing you. Really scared. Moreover, I thought they found the child. I'm sorry. Please.
What I don't understand is why you would reject a child because that child is a girl. Ogom, that's very primitive. I mean, nobody knows what a child would become tomorrow.
I agree. I was blind. I was very, very blind. I mean, I was desperate to be like other men. I was really desperate for an Ozo title. I didn't even see myself as stupid. I didn't even know I was being stupid.
I mean, if you hadn't spilled the wine to deny any ties with your wife, that child would still have been yours. But that singular act of yours has ruined everything. Everything. I just hope we don't lose at the end. Because clearly I can see the handwriting on the wall.
Biko, we will fight. We will fight with everything we have. We won't lose. We can't lose. I mean, if we lose a beer for now, we're finished. I'm finished.
Just calm down.
An accusation was brought to the Council of Elders today. Igbo said you ran away with her child 2 years ago.
She's mad. What kind of talk is that? I'm ready to face her anywhere. She should come.
Before you face her, is it not necessary that you first go and ask your wife questions?
There is nothing for me to ask my wife. Absolutely nothing, Uncle. Uncle, okay, can you remember that before you even asked me to leave this village, Egodi was already looking for her child? Can you remember? I can swear to you that Egodi knows exactly where that child is. She should come. I'm ready to face her.
Egodi.
Oh no.
You said the boy is your son.
Yes or no?
Can you prove this? Is there any mark on his body? Or did you put any mark? Like bat mark, something? For you to prove that he is truly your son?
No. But that boy is my son. He got missing the very day Uweze left this village.
You heard her. Is that true?
Oh no. Nkebo is Yogu Bunamamaro. I do not know, but I doubt it. Because Machi adopted the child before we met.
Come on. Tell us the truth.
Yes or no? I had adopted the boy before we met.
It takes only one word to be an honest man. And it takes one word to be a liar. The truth. Did you legally adopt the child?
No. My auntie gave me the child. She said the mother abandoned the boy at the orphanage home. I only baptized him at the church.
Did you abandon the child?
No. I never abandoned my baby. She's lying. I gave the child to the matron.
This case is very clear. My decision is this. That child belongs to Egodi.
Never. Oh no. I do not agree with that decision. I will take the matter to court if I have to.
But in the first place, it was your stupidity that caused all this rubbish. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I do not care what my stupidity caused or did not cause. I don't care. It is not your business. The child is my son. I have his birth certificates, everything. He bears my father's name.
You are raising your voice at me?
I do not care. Oh no. I will take this matter to court. All of you. I will fight you in court.
Ugeze, come back here.
Leave him alone. I know how to deal with him. That child belongs to her. Fine now.
Thank you, no. Thank you.
It's alright. It's alright.
Ugeze, what you did was wrong. Very wrong. You shouldn't have walked out on alone.
Is that why you're here?
Exactly.
Uncle, is that why you are here?
Ugeze, you see, sometimes when I look at you, I feel shame for you.
I don't care what you feel for me.
You don't care. Now let me advise you. Don't take these kids to court.
Nothing will stop me. Nobody will stop me.
You then better prepare for the consequences.
I'm ready to face the consequences, Uncle.
You're ready. It's all right.
Obim, you shouldn't have walked out on no. We would have another child. A child that will bear our own blood.
I don't think so.
Come. We will bear our own child. I mean, even if you take this matter to court, you will not win. Because the DNA will show that you are not the real father of this child.
DNA?
Yes. It's a test that determines the paternity of a child.
So what do we do now? What?
We would have to wait for our own child. Please.
You don't understand.
My love. We cannot continue keeping this child. We can't. We have to take him back to Igodi. I mean, the first day I saw Igodi, I saw Obiefuna in her. My conscience will not allow me if we continue to keep him. Please. We have to take him back to her. Let's not bring a curse upon ourselves. Please. Please.
What do we do now?
Ma, I don't know. What if he takes the matter to court? I mean, we don't have any proof to show that that child is my son.
He will not go to court.
Mama, you don't know Ogeze. I know him very well. He will go to court and he will win.
I brought back your son. You're a good woman. God will bless you with your own child.
Edo be my